Psychology attraction. Get them attracted to you again, just like old times. We're only human, and of course when we are attracted to someone, it makes us more drawn to that person. First, let me define the word attraction when used in the context of relationship. Many people think that being attractive means to simply look stunning. However, there is more to the meaning. Being attracted to someone could mean you're simply drawn to that person. Kind of how a magnet attracts to or is drawn to another magnet. Ask yourself, what was my partner attracted to in the first place? He or she may be attracted to your mind, your personality, and your looks, but may not be consciously considering your looks at the present time. When people break up, oftentimes the impression of what they look like is skewed by a conflict which formed the breakup in the first place. You need to show how physically attractive you are to keep them reminded. When they see you, the goal is for them to say, "Wow, I can't believe I let him or her go." And you would then hope the emotional feelings aroused from the physical attraction. There are a few guidelines to follow to make you more attractive to him or her, or to bring out the attraction that was forgotten. First of all, you don't want to come off as if you're trying too hard. If you're a female, I would not suggest going out of your way to put on the lingerie and high heels just to impress him. I'd dress flashy, yet leave a little room for him to be able to imagine. Yet make sure you look stunning at the same time. Think about what attracted him to your physical appearance in the first place. If you're a male, I would suggest putting on a little cologne, maybe wearing her favorite outfit. Girls love that. Consider the common phrase, beauty is skin deep. It's cliché for a reason. As long as your sweetheart had any sense of depth, he or she was most likely attracted to your mind when you were together. Ask yourself, what drew that person to you mentally in the first place? Was it your conversational skills? Maybe your book or street smarts? You need to find your fortes and accentuate them. Let your lover see that you are coping without him or her in a mentally stable fashion, and that you are able to focus on more than just the breakup. That will leave your ex wondering why. Why aren't you emotionally attached enough to only be sitting at home crying? The person who breaks up with the other person is more likely to